1. The purpose of education is not to make machines, it is to make men. 2. A child who reads will be an adult who thinks. 3. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. 4. Education is learning what you didn't know you didn't know. 5. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. 6. Education is the best provision for the future. 7. You educate a man, you educate a man. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. 8. Doubt is not a pleasant condition, but certainty is absurd. 9. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. 10. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. 11. Learning is a treasure that follows its owner everywhere. 12. Teaching is the greatest profession, for it creates all other professions. 13. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. 14. The illiterate of the future will be the person who cannot access information. 15. Education is a progressive discovery of our ignorance. 16. To be ignorant and to ignorance is the fatal thing, to know it is to be halfway to wisdom. 17. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. 18. The highest result of education is tolerance. 19. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. 20. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. 21. The illiterate of the future will be the person who cannot learn to learn. 22. Education is a continuing process, a search for the truth and the good life. 23. In learning you will teach, and in teaching you will learn. 24. You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing, and by falling over. 25. The only person who is educated is the one who has learned how to learn and change. 26. Education is the path from darkness to light. 27. The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living differ from the dead. 28. The whole art of teaching is only the art of awakening the natural curiosity of young minds. 29. Learning never exhausts the mind. 30. Education is the preparation for life. Education is life. 31. The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. 32. Education is a weapon whose effect depends on the hand that holds it. 33. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. 34. The aim of education is not knowledge, but action. 35. The greatest danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss it, but that it is too low and we reach it. 36. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. 37. Education is a lifelong journey, with a destination called opportunity. 38. The illiterate cannot read the world around them, the uneducated cannot read themselves. 39. Education is not a preparation for life, education is life itself. 40. Learning is not compulsory, neither is survival. 41. That the more you learn, the more you earn. 42. Education is the bridge between ignorance and knowledge. 43. The illiterate of the 21st century will be the one who can't learn to collaborate. 44. You are never too old to learn something new. 45. Education is the best investment a country can make in its future. 46. The only person who is educated is the one who has learned how to learn and change. 47. Learning is a treasure that follows its owner everywhere. 48. Learning without reflection is a waste of energy, reflection without learning is dangerous. 49. Education is the mother of leadership. 50. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you.